Hi viewers, you join me doing a load in the new project tcab. It's a bit noisy, I know. We're going from Manchester to Birmingham. I will chat along the way. So we obviously got 16 ton on, 4 forklifts. Let's go. Tell me how I can improve in the comments. Improve how I film, how I speak, like microphone or something like that. So we're clear, let's get ready to go. So now I've set up a new thing. I've got this project to do as normal, and you've got your project to do, as I name it, which is driving on the wrong side of the road. My bad. Saying my bad again and again, but it is totally my bad. Yeah, shouldn't be doing that. What was I talking about? Oh, your project means someone picked the lorry in the comments. That was Wayne. Yep. By the way, my dad. He picked DAF XF 106. Oh look, there's one there. It's obviously in the. It's called like Pacific Blue or something. It has to be in a blue. But I thought earlier, once this channel hits 1 year old, I will make a lorry in a different colour to celebrate that. But I need to know what colour to pick. Help me pick, please. Thinking might be like a orange, yellow, red, or even like green, or something random that's out there, but not pink or purple. Could even be a colour from my profile picture. Yeah. So in my profile picture I got white, blue, red, black, I think. Yeah. There's a police there. So I've done this, and it will be getting the side pipe fitted, and the badges on the front. When I bought it, they were missing, so I got some of them coming. So when it's done up, it'll have them all. Thinking I'll put strands on it. Well, might be strands, or it might be the, I don't know how to say it. It's like POLLUX. Oh, that car hitting my knee. Yeah, I don't know how you say it. Not sure if I should get the ones with the strobes in or just the day runners, DRLs. I was just thinking that my graphics are really good. Like, because on other videos they might look. On videos they might not look clear to you, but they are to me. But this might not. This might look the same for you, but it was really clear for me. Yeah. If you need any mods that I've got, or you want to find out a mod or anything, I'll film on a short what the name is, or how you find it, where you find it. It'll be on Steam. workshop. Yeah. I'm testing out my polarizer today. You know one of them ones that clip on your phone? Yeah, one of them. I'm testing one of them out today. See how good it is on the screen. See how much better it is or much worse it is. I can't see because I've got to concentrate on driving, but yeah. I got a question. What should the first upgrade be on your your project? The DAF. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell notifications, the bell icon, so you know when I post the videos. You can go check it out. And don't forget to liking, subscribing, commenting. It helps me out with decisions. I'm also trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to help out with that, click the subscribe button and you'll be helping me reach that goal. I was thinking I could get it by the end of next year, but I don't reckon that'll happen. I don't know yet. It may happen, it might not. Only time will tell. And for those of you who didn't know, I got a stammer. Yeah. I try and forget about it on videos, but sometimes I do. That's why I stop every once in a while. Because it's bad. So I might be getting a camera for Christmas, so it'll help with filming as well. Switch back into this lane. Bit of a left, right. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Off the Tee and Mr. Curbs. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to that. I am trying to help them hit 100. Off the Tee's got 14, I believe. He's going to be slightly more tricky because he doesn't post that many videos, but Mr. Curbs, he'll be a tiny bit easier because he's got 57 and he posts videos, so he posts whenever he feels like, and Off the Tee does. Minutes away. The limit's 60. Why are we going this slow? I'm thinking what other angles I could do of filming as well. Because at the minute I film from a phone holder and I do the same angle. I don't know which ones to see. And I want one of them cameras. I'm not sure if it's called a webcam or something, but it films your screen. I don't know if that's what a webcam is or something like that. If you know, drop in the comments because I don't know. not sure if a webcam's one of them that like points at you as well. You can have clear to These videos are like really long to post as well, so it takes me a while. It take ages uploading. So yeah. I'll go off this way then. Not sure if this is a shortcut. We're about to see. Oh, yep, we just shaved off, so it went from 25 to 18. I don't know the maths of that. I think it's like 7 minutes. Ugh! What's happened? Ugh, I didn't really want that to happen. You will be seeing the fully upgraded version of this lorry later. I mean, like straight after this video, it'll be getting upgraded. So let me know any like light bars or lights you want to see on your project. Let me know in the comments and I can do that. I've not been in Birmingham for ages. I forgot how to where to go. Keep it rolling, so in case the light changes, I can just put the foot there. Oh, come on, what are all these cars? My luck, it'll change yellow on me. Yep, knew it. Oh, I forgot this. This has got a bonnet on it, hasn't it? Indicator on. Yeah, let me know in the comments, whatever your opinions are on the new lorry that I've picked as well. Also, got a picture up there that Trucker Tim's actually signed. Ooh, right, let's go. Yeah, he's actually. So we took it. It's a picture of me by his S series, and he signed it. So yeah. This roundabout then the next. Oh, I can just cut the lanes because I'm king of the road. King of the road. I'll be able to go around here right now. Stay in this lane, so I've got to pull in up here in a minute. So. That's it. Delivery is done. See you in the next one. Ta-da.